hello everyone. In this class we are going to deal with the second reading, B reading of the unit 1, which is Let's Be Friends. So take out page number 18. Okay, so the poem name is The Best of Friends. So in this class we are going to elaborate this poem, which is written by a poet, S.G. Wolfe. Okay, so let's elaborate this poem, what he is mentioning and expressing in his views, okay, about the best of friends. The best of friends can change a frown into a smile when you feel down. So frown means nothing but a look of displeasure. Displeasure is nothing but unhappy, sad, sorrow, going through such kind of emotional feeling or emotional trauma. Okay, so when you have a best friend, he or she can change your mood with some kind of good words, some kind of positivity, some kind of chit chat words. Okay, so only a best friend can change your mood when you are in a place where you are going through a sad mood. So in this stanza, the poet is saying about the frown, about the displeasure of the look of the person. The best of friend will understand your little trials and lend a hand. Lend a hand means giving, will give you a hand which is supportive. The person who is going through trials, if a friend is going through trials, some money problems, financial problems, any problems, that a friend who is very close to the person will definitely support him or her by giving a supportive hand or reduce their difficulties by helping them. The best of friends will share your secret dreams because they care. So what we are planning, so in this stanza it is saying about if we are planning something, if we are planning some secret future or else secret thing, we will not disclose to everyone. We will not say that I am going to do this or going to that. We will only share such secret things with our close person, the close one who is close to our heart. So why? Because they will suggest and advise us something good, whether we are going through correctly or not, if whether what we are thinking, our thoughts and our perspectives are correct or not. So these all things will be get shared by only the person who is very close to our heart. Okay, so the secrets will be shared who is very close, or else close in the family friend. Okay, so the next stanza is the best of friends, worth more than gold, give all the love that heart can hold. Worth here, worth means, so what the poet is comparing, worth is nothing but valuable. So the poet here is comparing a friend with the ornament of gold with word worth, with the word worth. So the poet is saying the friend is more valuable than gold when compared to any other thing. So who can give all the love that the heart can hold. So the best friend only can give all the love, all the support, all the affection that the heart can hold. Why? Because the poet is comparing the friend with the valuable thing which is more valuable than gold. Gold is nothing in front of the person who is very close and who is having a best friend. So here the statement is clearly expressing that the friend is more valuable than gold. If you have a good friend who can advise you, who can help you, who can make a smile on your face, is more valuable than gold. In this way, we have completed our poem, The Best of Friends, which was explained by S.G. Wolfe, that a friend can make a smile on your face, can give a hand when you are in a difficulty, you can share your secrets, what you are planning, what you are going through the situation. And in the last stanza, the poet is saying that the best friend is more valuable than gold, who can give you a full of love. Thank you. So we'll be right back with another video with some interesting and motivational videos. Thank you.